COVID has impacted many of our neighbors. Eviction is stressful and complicated. People's Legal Aid is here to answer your questions and help you through the legal process. We'll guide you through how the eviction process works so you can understand your rights. Before a landlord can file a lawsuit, they first have to give you an eviction notice. The eviction notice is required by law to be a piece of paper. If the landlord sends you notice over email or text or verbally tells you that you have to leave, that is not a valid eviction notice. Although there are several types of eviction notices, they will all give a reason for the proposed eviction. They will also tell you how much time you have before the landlord can file a lawsuit against you. If the notice doesn't have a reason for evicting you, that may mean your lease is expiring, which does not require any other reason for eviction. Check your lease to see if the date the landlord says you have to move matches the date your lease ends. Notices sometimes have a cure option. For example, if you get a pay or quit notice, that means that if you pay the money within the time on the notice, the eviction lawsuit won't happen. If you don't leave within the amount of time stated on the notice, you're living in your home unlawfully. This can translate into expensive daily fines, in addition to tenants being on the hook for a landlord's legal fees. Once a landlord files an official complaint with the court, tenants are responsible for answering summons within 3 days and requesting a hearing if they believe they are being evicted unlawfully. A hearing is an opportunity for both sides to present evidence about why the tenant should or shouldn't be evicted. The judge will decide whether the tenant will have to move out or not. If the judge decides that the tenant did something that legally warrants an eviction, he will sign the eviction order. These orders give law enforcement officers the right to forcibly remove tenants from a property. The remainder of the court process will occur after the tenant has left the property. Generally, there will be an effort to settle on the amount of money owed to the landlord. If that is unsuccessful, there will be a pre-trial conference where there will again be an attempt to settle the dispute. Without a settlement, the case may proceed to a trial where each party will have to prove their argument. Ignoring any communication from your landlord or a court may result in a default judgment. This limits your ability to respond to the court case in the future and leads to owing significantly more money. Don't let an eviction leave you with thousands of dollars in debt and ruin your chances of finding a new place to live. People's Legal Aid is here to help you understand your rights so you can make better financial and legal decisions.